Since I don't play left-handed, this is the only recourse I have to show you how in tune this guitar is. So this is set up 9 to 46 hybrid strings. So these are the tunable brass Fender replacement saddles. It's a 7¼ inch radius. And as far as the originality police go, this can be reversed right back to original. I have the original saddles in a Ziploc baggie in the case. If anyone at any time in the future wants to make it 100% original and 100% out of tune, they can do that. This is the other reason that this guitar is now perfectly in tune. We have a compensated nut as well. And we also have the original nut, came out super clean. This job as well is completely reversible. If the customer decides they want to put the original nut back in, no issue at all.